No more monthly payments. No more debt. Just peace, freedom, and the feeling that your home is truly yours. Most people believe it takes 30 years to pay off a mortgage. But what if I told you, you could do it in half the time, or even less? This is not a get-rich-quick trick. It's about smart choices, small changes, and the right mindset. Welcome to Financial Freedom. Today, you'll discover how to crush a 30-year mortgage in just 10 to 15 years. Would you rather spend the next 30 years paying your bank, or spend the next 15 years building wealth for your family? The truth is, banks want you to believe that 30 years is normal, because that's how they make the most money from you. But you don't have to play their game. You can beat the system with the right strategy. And it doesn't require earning a fortune. Stay with me until the end, because I'll share a real story of one couple who turned their 30-year mortgage into just 12 years, and saved over $100,000 in interest. Let's start with a reality check. When you buy a house with a 30-year mortgage, the bank gives you a big smile and hands you the keys. You feel like a homeowner, but technically, you're not yet. The bank owns most of that home for the first decade. Because during those first years, most of your payments go toward interest, not principal. If you borrow $300,000 at 6% interest, you'll pay more than $347,000 in interest alone over 30 years. That's more than the house itself. That's the trap of the 30-year mortgage. But here's the good news, you can flip the script. The first step isn't financial. It's mental. Most people treat their mortgage like a burden. But people who become financially free treat it as a challenge to conquer. They don't ask, can I afford the monthly payment? They ask, how can I shorten this debt and keep more of my money? This is what I call the wealth compression mindset. Instead of spreading your debt across decades, you compress it into a shorter time frame by optimizing your cash flow. Even small changes, redirecting bonuses, cutting wasteful expenses, or timing payments, can shave years off your mortgage. Now let's break down the strategy step by step. Step 1. Make biweekly payments. Instead of one payment each month, split it in half and pay every 2 weeks. You'll end up making 13 full payments per year instead of 12. That extra payment can cut off 4 to 5 years from your mortgage. Step 2. Round up every payment. If your payment is $1,240, round it up to $1,300. That extra $60 each month adds up to tens of thousands saved in interest. Step 3. Refinance to a shorter term. When your income grows or interest rates drop, consider refinancing to a 15 or 20-year loan. Yes, the monthly payment might be higher, but you'll save massive amounts in interest and build equity faster. Step 4. Use windfalls wisely. Got a tax refund? A work bonus? Instead of upgrading your phone or car, throw that money at your principal. Every lump sum payment shortens your mortgage timeline. Step 5. The HELOC strategy. For those who are financially disciplined, you can use a home equity line of credit to pay down your principal faster. Borrow from your HELOC at a lower rate, pay a chunk of your main mortgage, then pay off the HELOC using your regular income. It's like turning the bank's tools against them. Step 6. Track your progress. Review your amortization schedule every few months. Watching your balance drop faster keeps you motivated. It turns paying off debt into a game you can actually win. Let me share a true story. David and Lisa Johnson from Ohio bought their home in 2010 for $280,000. Like most people, they started with a 30-year mortgage. But they made a promise to each other, they would pay it off early. They began by adding just $100 extra each month. Then, they switched to biweekly payments. Whenever they received a tax refund, they sent it straight to the principal. In 12 years, they made their final payment, 18 years earlier than planned. They saved over $115,000 in interest. When I asked them how it felt, Lisa said something powerful. Paying off our house early wasn't about money, it was about freedom. Paying off your mortgage early isn't just about saving interest. It's about taking control of your life. It gives you freedom to retire earlier. Peace of mind knowing your home is truly yours. Flexibility to invest or chase new goals. Imagine living in your dream home and knowing it's 100% yours. That's real financial freedom. The 30-year mortgage was designed for the bank's comfort, not yours. But you can rewrite that story. Start small. Stay consistent. And watch your debt disappear faster than you ever thought possible. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Freedom, and share it with someone who's tired of being trapped by debt. Remember, don't just work for money. Make your money work for you.